this is the hard work of Hampshire Police, you know, rooting up old fellas. He did have his colleague with him a minute ago. So yeah, he's been roosted up. Looks like he's got handcuffs on. So he might be away for the clink. So my phone is, when zooms out, my phone can't keep focus. So yeah, so this is the second part. I'll add this to the first bit of filming I did. Just so yeah, again. So I don't know what's happening really here, but looks like someone's away to the clink. So yeah, he's been naughty. So that old guy has drawn the attention of 3 police officers, and so he must be a naughty chap, even though he doesn't look like much like an old man. He's oh no, look, they're taking the cuffs off. Very strange, aren't they? Oh, and he's patted the police officer on the back for putting them in the cuffs. Oh, I don't know. So he's thanked the police officer for, this is a new thing at the moment. People thank police officers for putting them. Oh, he gives me a little wave, Mr. Hardman there. Look, you're roosting up an old man. Oh yeah. So they, this seems to be a new thing where they people who get arrested by police, they thank them, which is very strange. Oh, he's been told off. So, who knows what he's done. Well, at the moment, it looks like he's done nothing. They've just obviously taken him out of the cuffs and had a word with him after all that. So, yeah. It must be a hard job right now. But, so now.